Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you turn off autoplay previews of trailers on Netflix. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Netflix account. Make sure that you're already signed into your account. I'll go to my profile, and as you can see, it will just start playing the trailer right off when I start the application. So if I scroll down a little bit, you'll play the other one. If I just go to other ones, as you can see, just like that. So let's say I want to disable this. So what I will do is I will exit out of Netflix again. And I'll go ahead and relaunch it as well. Now, once I relaunch in the place, do not log in. Just go ahead and tap on the edit button on the top right corner. Once you tap on edit button, select the profile on which you will turn off trailer autoplays. So let's add this one, for example. And here you can see at the bottom, which says autoplay previews is currently turned on all devices. You can just turn this toggle off and then come back again. And now we can go ahead and open up that specific profile. And now you can see it will not begin playing the trailers. As you can see, just stop, and now you can go ahead and disable. This for all the other profiles that you might want to change to, and that's all it seeks to turn off autoplay previews of trailers on Netflix. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.